What's up, guys? We're back, and it's been a minute, but it's been kind of hard to find things to do, which is surprising, right? So today we're gonna be pulling the decals off of my KTM 450, and then I'm going to attempt at putting my street legal lighting kit on it. So we'll see how that goes. That's better. So here it is so far, and I was trying to figure out if I should take this decal off or not, and I think I am. I think it would just look good. So that's what the underneath looks like, and it did rip some paint off. So I'm gonna see what I can do to make this look better, or I might just have to get some new plastics just on the front, which isn't that bad. But overall, I'm really happy with how this looks without the decals. So I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol and get all of this residue off, and we will go from there. Alright, well, that's about as good as I'm gonna get it for now, until I get some solvent or something I can take all this goo off with. That means now we get to get to the fun stuff. Yeah. What's up, little guy? You helping me with the project, bro? You help me with the project, bro? No, dude, don't go, dude. Alright, so I've got everything I need here to do a full street legal kit on my KTM. But I don't have a headlight, and I think I'm just going to end up putting a light bar on there or something, because headlights are expensive. So I got this kit a couple months ago, and it should have everything I need to turn my KTM into a fully street legal motorcycle. So I just took the fuel tank off, and that was pretty easy. And now I'm just gonna run the harness front to back and see where things are gonna lay out. Okay, so I got it on the charger right now. I've got the harness plugged in, and it does work. So I'm gonna start tucking some stuff away, let it finish charging, and put it back together. All right, so I think I'm gonna have to call it a day, because I've been working for about 8 hours, and I'm pretty done. So I got all the wiring set up, and tomorrow I just need to get a new fuse or the on-off switch because I blew that somehow, and get a couple switches so that my battery stops dying, and put it all back together. So after some time, I've got it all put together. I got the headlight, the mirror, both blinkers, left and right. On the back, got both blinkers, left and right, with the brake light. One thing I will say, guys, is if you're gonna be doing a kit like this on your dirt bike, if you get this Tusk kit, you're gonna have to do something a little weird to get the headlight working. Basically this switch here, if you get the Tusk headlight and use the kit on it, everything will work. But if you're trying to use your own headlight like I am here, then you're gonna need to find somewhere else to power the headlight because this switch has no power going to it. So what I did is in the kit, it comes with 2 optional wires that will hook up to a front brake switch, so that if you pull your front brake, the rear brake light will turn on. I used those 2 wires to supply power to the headlight switch, and then I ran the wires from the headlight switch to my headlight. Then I grounded my headlight to my frame, and it works. So you can see here, if I turn it on, brake light turns on. I can do my headlight, I can do left blinker, right blinker. Now, when I step on the brakes, it should, yay, it lights up. Okay, so yeah, she's pretty much ready to go. What do you say? Should we take her for a rip? I think so. So I forgot to hit record, but I just came to this little dirt parking lot. I thought there were some 4-wheel trails here, but apparently there aren't. So we're gonna head back, but at least I'll get that footage hopefully. Everything worked just like it should. My temperature isn't too hot. It's 187. You know, and I just got back, so not bad. I just want to say thank you guys. It has been a while, but I hope you liked it. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe.